Are we going? Yeah, we're going. Hey everybody, my name's Shanna. I love skincare and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about skincare. About me, I live in Greensboro, North Carolina. I believe that skincare is step one before makeup. I feel like when you look good, you feel good, you take care of your skin, you take care of yourself. And I mean, we're living through some really strange times right now. I mean, it feels good to take care of yourself, right? I don't know. Your thoughts may vary, but what I would really like to get into you with is my skincare routine. I've got a couple of different things that I do. I've got a warm weather daytime routine. I've got a cool weather daytime routine. I have my Sunday night routine. I've got my retinol routine, and I've got my vitamin C routine. I don't want to hit you with too much at once. So what I'd like to review with you today is my warm weather daytime routine. Why? Well, it's getting warm. As I mentioned, I live in central North Carolina. Summer means heat and humidity. Yay! I have oily skin. Well, cooler weather, it's more normal. I do have an oily T-zone and normal cheeks. However, because of the humidity during the summertime, my nose, forehead, chin, basically your T-zone, it can turn into an oil slick. So I'm going to review the products I use during the daytime to clean my skin, to make sure that I keep the oil under control, hydrate, and most importantly, sunscreen. So let's get started. All right, cleanser. This was $1 at Walgreens on the bargain table. They don't make it anymore, of course. It is an oil-free, fragrance-free, dye-free cleansing gel with salicylic acid, otherwise known as BHA, beta-hydroxy acid, and glycolic acid, which is an alpha-hydroxy acid. I have strong, tough skin. I believe in active ingredients, and those are direct acids, retinol, vitamin C, a newer one, niacinamide, and of course, sunscreen. So let's start with the cleansing gel. Wash my face in the shower. I absolutely love this because it cleans your skin, it doesn't overstrip it, and it begins the chemical exfoliation process, and that takes off the dead, dry skin cells. And it is also a way to prevent breakouts, because when you are taking off that layer of dead, dry skin, you are less likely to break out because you have new, fresh skin coming in. After that, I actually use 2 toners. There is a method to my madness. First one I use on my forehead only, Witch Hazel. That big bottle you can get at Walmart for about $3. The rest of my face, I use, it's hiding from me. Okay, it's bright green. Oh, there it is. This is a Korean product. It is the Some by Me Miracle Toner. It is fragrance-free. Now, I mean, you do smell the natural tea tree extract in it. Tea tree extract, not oil, and it smells really, really good. This is alcohol-free, so it won't overstrip. It has niacinamide in it to smooth and soothe the skin. It also helps with redness. Niacinamide also helps to cut down on oil production, and that is something that oily skin people do love, especially when it starts to get hot. This has alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, or salicylic acid, and polyhydroxy acid. So it is great for cleaning out the pores. Again, a gentle chemical exfoliant. And that tea tree extract, oh my goodness, it is so refreshing on the skin. Love this. Now, the reason I use a different toner on my forehead than the rest of my face is because I use, and I'm going to butcher the pronunciation, Argireline Solution. It's a serum from The Ordinary. It's about $7. They call it Botox in a bottle because it actually has a non-toxic compound of Botox in it to help basically block the neurotransmission between your muscle movement and your skin to smooth lines. A lot of really good articles about this lately. I have used it before. I love it. I put it on my forehead. 1 ounce bottle, fragrance free. I try to go for fragrance free. I've got allergy and sinus problems. Water light. after toner on my forehead and between my eyebrows. I've got a couple uninvited guests there. I'm trying to smooth them out and get rid of them. For the rest of my face, we go with the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum. Soothing, oil controlling, and it is also very good for treating blackheads. Now, it is also soothing, so with the other chemical exfoliants, it helps to keep the redness in check. Now, I've tried a lot of mattifying products. This helps to keep oil in check pretty much better than anything else I've ever used, and it's dirt cheap. It's what, $6, $7 for a 1 ounce bottle? Ordinary Decium. Love you. I didn't think I needed a warm weather moisturizer. I do. Between the active acids, the retinol, and the vitamin C, okay, sometimes my face can be a little red in the mornings. So I need something to help soothe and condition that, but at the same time to treat my skin while I'm hydrating it. I have it on order right now, otherwise I would be showing you the jar, but it's the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Moisturizer. Very lightweight, oil-free, silicone-free, artificial fragrance-free gel moisturizer. Apparently it sinks right into the skin, feels terrific. Now, something I'm excited about, it does have the niacinamide for oil control and additional soothing of the skin, willow bark, which is also great for oily skin, and papaya enzyme for gentle exfoliation. I think this product is going to be a terrific match for my skin. Last but not least, sunscreen. Let's talk sunscreen. I know it can be a pain. It can be heavy, sticky, tacky. It can feel like it's sitting on top of your skin. You feel like you're sweating it off, or it stinks. Well, I have found one I absolutely love. This is yet another K-Beauty product, the Purito Unscented SPF 50. Now, there is no scent to this. I don't know how they did it. No scent, no fragrance, nothing. 70% water, a chemical sunscreen, incredibly lightweight, packed with niacinamide. Love that ingredient. It helps to soothe, comfort. This sinks right in. It's very mattifying. You cannot feel it on your face. So I would really recommend this for anybody except those with very dry skin, because I'll be honest with you, it is mattifying. Once it's there, it sinks right in. It does have glycerin, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to have to double check that. It's not that it's drying or stripping, it's just that I wouldn't recommend it as a moisturizer. It does not leave a white cast because it is a chemical sunscreen, not a physical sunscreen like zinc or titanium dioxide. And the weightlessness of it, even on the most humid days, my skin still feels comfortable. So that is it for my daytime routine. Just to recap, a few very basic products. Cleanser, toner. Yes, I use 2 toners. You don't have to. The reason I do is because the peptide solution that I use on my forehead does not work well in an acidic environment, which is what the Serum by Me toner does offer. And the Witch Hazel is much more neutral. You don't have to use 2 toners. It is up to your skin. Follow with the peptide solution, the niacinamide solution, moisturizer, sunscreen. For an eye cream, I use several different ones, but one that I have tried and true and love is the In-Key List Caffeine Eye Cream. It is lightweight but very hydrating. It has peptides to smooth out lines and wrinkles, but it also has caffeine, so it's a nice little wake-up boost for your eyes. Some people keep it in the fridge. I don't have a beauty fridge. I will eventually get one, but for just $10, you cannot go wrong with this. And again, fragrance-free and a clean formula. I will put descriptions and links to everything in there, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Ciao, everyone.